Hello guys, and welcome back to another edition of Vlogmas. Yay! Yeah, so yesterday's video I showed you guys when I went to the market and when I went to the mall to get some things. Yeah, so this is our meal prep. Well, I was so busy, like I said I was going to get someone if I can't cook. So finally I got my friend Joy to come and help me, do my cooking. Yeah, so right now she's, cooking. I just said I should update you guys. Like I promised I was gonna show you guys my meal prep today. Yeah, so that's what is going down. Yeah, so if today is your first time clicking on my video, please consider to subscribe, like and share. Yeah, so after this video, the next video is going to be when I'm packing, I'm traveling. Yay! Yeah, so let me leave you guys to enjoy the video.
Many minutes later.
Okay guys, so we have rice. I couldn't film all the process, so I'm just going to show you everything. There is egusi soup sitting pretty. Oh my god, like I have enough food. Then this is stew. Not much though, but man, I don't eat every day like that. I eat though, but I need motivation to eat. Then there's vegetable soup or stew, anyone you want to call it. You can use it with rice or swallow. Then this is parboiled chili only. And lastly we have fried chicken, the leftover after all the cooking. And this is my beautiful chef. Why, can you see this beauty? Can you see? Oh, thanks to her, like she saved my life.